Hey, Brandon Heitman here. Thank you so much for checking out my company and allowing me the opportunity to build something for you. I wanted to create this video to share with you the #1 reasons on why you should hire my company, Exigent Design Build, for your home. Behind us, I got a swimming pool, a gunite swimming pool that we installed. A project like this is going to take 5 months. We're going to have over 18 different contractors on site that are all doing their individual specific job. One thing we have at Exigent is we surround ourselves around the best. Everybody that is on this job site is highly skilled, highly motivated, and highly engaged to provide the best possible solution for your home. This swimming pool, usually the step-by-step process we do here is the swimming pool. It goes in #1. But there's a lot of different elevations that need to be exact. This retaining wall, we got the swimming pool, we got the structure, all this needs to be pitched perfectly. If not, you'll have standing water, like kind of what's going on over there. And you don't want to have that because in the winter it can cause freezing, it can also cause problems, cracking, shifting, and pavers. If it's concrete, it could crack. Very, very important to have proper drainage, and it has to be perfect. So one thing we have at Exigent is we have highly skilled and highly trained people. We've got Aldo on site. He's been in business for 25 years doing this. The guys that came in and did the tile and coping, they've been doing it for about 25 years. The guys that did the pool have been doing it for over 40 years. So very important, we are committed to surrounding ourselves around the best. We are not going to be the cheapest price, but we have built a solid business, proving that we provide the best value. So here's a lot of different moving parts we have on this job site. We have the pool, we have some fire bowls. The pool needs to be done right. If that pool isn't done right, it is going to cost hundreds and thousands of dollars to come back and fix it. The pool was done on the right base. We also have the pavers. The pavers get prepped on 8 to 12 inches of base, and then sand. You know, there's a lot on a project like this, a 5-month job. There's a very, very easy way, if you're a dishonest contractor, to cut corners. And that's one thing we never do, is we never sacrifice quality. We never sacrifice the warranty. You know, if anything ever happens on this job site, we come back, we handle it. The plumbing, you know, with swimming pools, you're going to have problems, especially with plumbing. The structure, we have built solid base. We use the best rebar, strongest rebar. We use the best concrete, the strongest concrete you can get at the time. So we do not save any money for quality. We spend the extra money for higher quality. The base for the pavers, you know, some people say you can do 6 inches of base. We like to do a solid foot of base, and we make sure that we compact it very well so we don't have any problems. So not only is this backyard going to last for years for the client, but I'm confident we'll have 10, 15, 25, 30 years, no problems on this job site because we did it the right way the first time. So very important to think of these things when you select a contractor. What is their experience like of the guys that are doing it? What does the reviews look like? Check out our Google reviews. We work very hard to keep a 5-star Google reviews. You know, my mindset is I do not want to cut any corners, because I know if I can deliver it the best possible solution, that this homeowner is going to refer us out to other work, which has already happened and we haven't finished here. So this is not only the mindset I have, but everybody on the job site has too. Our mission and our vision is to provide the best possible solution for our homeowners, because not only that do we want to make you happy, but as a homeowner, we want you to tell the neighbors, we want you to tell the friends and family, so we can do more projects like this. So this is very, very important to know. This is a massive project. It's also to stay in really good communication with the homeowner. #1 thing we do for that is we do a design. We did an interior render, a 3D super realistic rendering for this homeowner, and it turned out phenomenal. But that way he was able to see the vision before we started building anything. Because when you start building, you do not want to make changes. Changes cost money. So we spend a lot of time and attention and detail making the design, building out the design to make sure that it's exactly what the homeowner wants before we sign the contract and before we move forward. A #1 thing that the design does for the homeowner is it builds clarity. The last thing we want to do is give you a dollar amount, move forward, and then halfway through the deal, you think you're getting something else and you're getting this. Huge problem in business, and we don't want to have that. That's where homeowners get upset at us. So that's why we stress the importance of doing a very good quality design with accurate measurements, accurate elevations. We'll show you, include the video on this one, the design we did for this homeowner. It's very, very important. And it is the best investment you can make as a homeowner, is spending 1-2% of the project costs into a design. Maybe not even that one, 0.5%. But it's very important. It is refundable towards the cost of the project anyways. So here's what we got. We started with the design, then we started doing the work. It goes off to engineering. We have the best engineers. You know, this structure could have been built cheaper. It definitely could have been built cheaper. This could have been built cheaper. The pavers, everything here you're looking at could have been done cheaper, but that doesn't mean the best. You know, if you're a homeowner watching this video right now, think back, what kind of car do you drive? Are you driving the cheapest car? You could have went to the junkyard and got a car for free. It doesn't make it the best. Same thing in construction. You get what you pay for. Not going to tell you we're the absolute best in the world. We're striving to be. We're striving to be, but no. What you want to do is you want to find somebody that's honest, somebody that's not going to cut corners, somebody that has good reviews, good reputation. We got tons of referrals we can send you. Our mission and vision is to provide the best possible solution for you. So like I said, so you can refer out. Another thing we got going on here is our retaining walls. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of elevations. It needs to be done perfect, otherwise you're going to have sitting water and problems. Our structure over here, like I said, a lot of things here we could have done cheaper, but we want to provide the best value. We want to spend a little bit extra money into the project so we don't have any other problems. Another thing is we do great customer service. Every day we got somebody on our team that gives daily job site updates. So if the plumber needs to get in the house, they know. If they need to get outside, you know, in the garage, we need to get access to that driveway, we know. If the client's concerned because nobody's been here in a day because we're planning different subcontractors, hey, we're going to be there Friday. This is very important. You know, usually a project like this, a client's forking out a lot of money up front, you know, because usually a job site like this, it's going to be half material costs to build this job, minimum. So we take about half to build it up front. So it's very important to stay in good communication with the clients so they don't get frustrated, they don't get upset. And our whole thing is we're talking 5 months here on this project. It's very important to keep the client happy, stay in good communication. The last thing you want to do is sign a contract with a contractor that's going to be negative, rude, mean, not going to fit your needs, not going to treat you very well because you're stuck with them for 5 months. So I just wanted to create this video so you understand and think of these things before you select a contractor for your project. If you did not already know, we offer outdoor living services, we offer interior design and renderings and interior remodeling, and of course exterior design. We do swimming pools, structures, turf, pavers, concrete, anything basically outside. Glass railing, we did the glass railing up top. So we're committed here at Exigent to provide the best possible solution for your backyard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some great value today. And I wanted to create this video for all homeowners that are looking to buy a new outdoor living space. And if you're having trouble deciding what contractor to choose, make sure you watch this video. Thank you.